guys to my channel. It's Ari and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, hey. If you are returning, welcome back. Hit that subscribe button, get this video a thumbs up, and let's get straight into today's video. Today's video is brought to you guys today by Dossier. They sent me 2 perfumes and I am in love. Like, there's no way that this is real. Okay, so let me tell you guys really quick about Dossier. Dossier is a super affordable brand of fragrances. They have unisex, women and men fragrances. And when I say I am so in love, just off the simple fact that the things that they are supposed to smell like, they actually smell like. So my favorite one out of the 2 that I got was the Floriental Vanilla. They also send you this card that tells you what you got, of course, the notes, what it's inspired by, and also the concentration of it. So this one is inspired by YSL's Black Opium, and it comes like this. Oh wait, I guess I should show you guys the inside. So it says iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. And when I say that is literally what they're selling. So this one I believe is $29 on the website. And when I say, look y'all, I literally been spraying this nonstop, like for no reason. I'll literally be like, I just woke up. I'm about to go to the bathroom. Like stuff like that, no reason. Not only is the packaging so beautiful, it's just something you've never seen before. It's very minimalistic. It tells you the notes, it tells you what fragrance you ordered, and it tells you, of course, the brand that it is. And something I've literally never seen before is once you slap this on, it clicks. Like, it's like a magnetic lid. And I just love that so much. I feel like it's so different and outside the box. I've actually owned so many perfumes and I never had one that was like that. I strongly recommend you guys to go ahead and check out Dossier. If you guys want a discount also, you can look at the link in my bio. There will be a discount code provided for you guys, just so you guys can get on the bandwagon too and go ahead and start smelling like luxury at an affordable price. Without further ado, we're gonna get right into the video. So on days that I don't roll my hair at night, because my hair is trained, so I'll just put the roller or flexi rods in at night, and so when I wake up it'll just be curled. But last night I went out with my best friend. I just got home and I was like, I don't feel like it. So today I just had to put the flat iron on the highest so I could just do one pass and do my rollers, and by the time I finish my makeup it'll be cute curls. So speaking of that, we're about to get right into makeup. All right, so my brows are filled in. I didn't do all the concealer part because I wanted to do that on camera, but right now I'm about to moisturize. And from there, I'll start doing my makeup and I'll just start speeding it back up. Okay guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips just a little bit. My lips are naturally like dark and then dark around here, so I just like to emphasize that just a little bit. No, nothing too dark. This is the NYX brown lip liner pencil. Nothing too crazy, just a little that. I'm gonna go in with the Bath and Body Works Supreme Mentha lip gloss. Put that right on. And that is my lips. So next, what we're gonna do is, before I take my hair down, we have to, of course, put the outfit on and figure out, well, for me, I put my outfit on first and then I take my hair down just so it doesn't get messed up in the movement. So I can't decide. I'm gonna show you guys two options that I'm thinking of for tonight. Okay, so this is outfit number one. We have these Ego heels, this Fashion Nova dress, and this is from Aldo. Well, it's an Aldo bag. It's not from Aldo, it's from Ross. I feel like this for sure goes for dinner. Like, I'm excited. I think this is the one. But I also have this cute little put together, these Ego heels. This jumpsuit is from Edge, the store in the mall. And this is actually from Amazon. So I think that they're very cute outfits. They go together, like put together well. But I'm leaning more towards this one. So I'm gonna try them both on, and whatever you guys see me on in the next clip will be what I chose. Okay guys, so I picked out the black dress. Oh, put this down. I picked out the black dress because I felt like it was like much better for dinner. So, because the gray one has that big deep cut right here, and I just needed something that was like a little more high cut, you know, it's a little more appropriate. So I went with the black. Of course, I'm showing a side by side of what it looks like on and the outfit together. I couldn't get my shoes in, so just imagine the shoes on. The last thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is finish my hair, which is my edges. Duh, like my flexi rods are already out. So I'm going in with the Lotta Body, I think it's like the, let me see. This one, the Milk and Honey Tame Me 24-Hour Edge Control. And I cannot find my edge brush. I have a pink, cute little edge brush with the hard bristles and the comb on the other end, but I have no clue where it is. So I think I'm just gonna have to get another one because I'm pretty sure I either threw it away or I just lost it. So that's my life right now. This little toothbrush that I just keep in my to-go makeup bag because you never know when you're gonna need to do your edges. And look at me now. Don't have an edge brush. But dang, that was quick. I was hesitant using this because it's super soft. And I've been loving how hard the other one is. But yeah, so this is, oh, of course y'all can see my mirror now. This is my hair. This is the finished product. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And if you did, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And also hit the notification bell so you guys can see all of my new content. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching.